light on every face. Coffee dreams begin to wake. Little tables in the sun. Another perfect day begun. Fresh espresso fills the air. Golden moments everywhere. People smile and drift along. Life feels like a quiet song. Take your time, watch the day. Every moment finds its way. Place Moulins, coffee in the morning light. Every little corner feels so warm and bright. Place Moulins, where the hours slow. Every little memory begins to grow. Laughter floating through the square. Morning sunshine everywhere. Every face a story told. Simple moments more than gold. Shadows dancing on the stone. Somehow never feel alone. Every street and every smile makes you wanna stay a while. Stay a little longer. Leave the world behind. Every cup of coffee brings a little time. Nothing here is rushing. Everything just flows. That's the way Monaco always seems to go. Place Moulins, coffee in the morning light. Every little corner feels so warm and bright. Place Moulins, where the hours slow. Every little memory begins to grow.